Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to find XAUUSD chart in TradingView in 2026 so that you can simply see the gold chart very easily. So first of all, you can use the link that is given in the description. This way you will be landed here on tradingview.com. Currently, a Black Friday sale is going on all of the TradingView premium subscriptions. So if you are interested, you can avail this 80% off discount plus 1 month additional absolutely for free. So when you come on tradingview.com and log in into your account first, in order to find the symbol of XAUUSD, you need to simply use the search bar here on the top. Over here, sometimes you will see XAUUSD in this list, but if it is not available here by default, simply type XAUUSD. Now it is going to show you bunch of different XAUUSD pairs. So you must be wondering which one is actually correct. So everything is correct. It's just that it is showing you the chart of based on different types of brokers. So you can click on any one of these. Like this particular chart is from forex.com. So I want it. So I'm going to be clicking on the launch chart option, and as you can see, it has launched the chart in front of me. So now this chart will come here in your watch list as well. If you want to add in your watch list, simply just click on this plus icon on the top right hand corner. Now you need to do the same thing over here too. You just have to look for XAUUSD, and then in order to add this forex.com chart over here in your watch list, simply click on this plus icon and it will be added here just like so. Now you can click on it anytime you want and it will appear here on your screen. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.